The simulation demonstrates the centripetal force exerted on a body undergoing a uniform circular motion. In the help section, the analytical theory of the simulation is referenced. The parameter m indicates the mass of the object. The parameter r denotes the radius of the circular orbit. The parameter v indicates the linear velocity of the object. The parameter t denotes the observation time of the simulation. The parameter SR, simulation rate, denotes the rate of the motion simulation. The motion of the object is shown. The centripetal force Fc applied to the object is perpendicular to the linear velocity v, while its direction indicates the center of the orbit. We can interrupt the motion. We can hide the vector quantities of the phenomenon. We can hide the results table. We can adjust the scaling of the centripetal force. We reset the simulation to its initial environment. We can select various combinations of parameters and study the simulation. We observe that the centripetal force is proportional to the mass m of the object, proportional to the square of the linear velocity v, and inversely proportional to the radius r of the orbit. Finally, the selection of problems are proposed issues corresponding to the simulation. You can solve the problems and check the correctness of the results with the help of the simulation.